The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video, you're going to see a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her daughter had been raped and murdered years ago. She also talked about other things as well, viewers and subscribers, and I would like you to listen to some of the things that she said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that she said. You see me? The things that she said, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, it was just sad, some of the things that she said, you see me? However, you can let me know what you think overall about this video, alright? And in the video, she used some very harsh languages, and before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Good evening everyone. I just have this to say. With the girl that they found, where the man strangled her and threw her in the bush. I don't know, I don't remember if it's Wednesday they find her. Next week Wednesday is 9 years my daughter died like that. She was going to Champs, 2 of them, then kill her. Well, so far they did want the other one, but she was there, she was at the wrong place at the wrong time. Then stab her, then cut her throat, then rape her, then do everything evil to her, and she didn't deserve it. Right now I'm speaking, our phone is at the police station somewhere up in Kingston. Me not remember which part in the country part. And me try everything, then catch 2 men, have 1 in a jail like 2 years, 1 year, then let him go. Me up to right human rights. Meet a lady at the station. She said they don't have as much evidence, so then let them go. What I'm simply saying right now, I know how the mother feel with her daughter. My daughter was also 20 years old when she died. Next week, Wednesday the 31st, she would be 29 years old. She was the feather in my cap, just like this little girl. She have a lot of potential. And she died like this. I never ever, I want to say this. Me not in the thing when I say out of many one people, out of many one people, out of many some people. Because me go up on TV, me put in a star, me put in a mirror, me do every God Almighty thing what me can do. Up to last year, me put in a paper. I never see a prime minister at me gate. I never see a council at me gate. I never see a MP at me gate. Nobody. Me go as far as him go to them and say if that time me go to this MP and me they say if you even can give me $10,000 peer promises. So me want know if some people dead are dead and some people dead are not dead. They only care for some people. When saying this, don't get me wrong, the mother, I feel it to you, to my heart. Next week Wednesday, I'm going to have my daughter memorial. Although the government no want no gathering, me have to do that to get me pitney satisfaction. You understand what I'm saying? So, me want to know when some people talk on might upset and say, oh, then go out for some and not go out for some. Because even this little girl, every turn you turn on the phone, you see her. And with me, no care how me try, me I'll go to the station, the radio station, and then video me everything. And when me look for see it on news, I'll know me no see it. You understand? Me daughter, Jana Campbell, when they go to the Champs. And then she follow the friend, and then take her away and kill her up. Some spring garden up in a Kingston, me go find me pitney naked in a bush. in a cane field. And now, and the man them there road, me don't know if them there road and then dead. You see the hurtfulest thing about it, when me know say blood clot Jamaica not right. Jamaica is some people. Then find me phone with one girl, and the girl was a police woman. Then find with a train camp, and he say his stepson give him the phone. And when me go a court, me see the man we give stepmother the phone, say where she a police. You understand? She say him buy the phone. Him buy the phone from the killer. You see the next time when me visit court, in a police blazer, in go turn police. You understand? So when all human rights say look for me and say, them not have as much evidence, be it on the phone then, where you get the phone from? The car we carry the pitney, we come pick them up and carry them at town and kill them. The man come a court. I was in the courthouse when the judge say, do not do anything to the car, do not spray the car, do not do anything to the car, because the killer rent the car. That the man went in a jail, him rent the car and come pick up the pitney. All me hear is nothing. I don't get out of it, and right now me talk me upset. Every time me talk me upset, because me pitney just go down the drain like that and she not deserve it, and me not get no rights. Speaking right now, our phone there at the station and then fling out the case out of the court and me can't get the phone. So beat off of the phone then. Where do you get the phone? Where the man will sell you the phone get the phone from? And me dead pitney phone. You understand me? And all me put in a paper, all me go on TV, all me do this and all me do that. All now nobody no visit me yard. So no blood clot ready when I say out of many one people, out of many some people. Me put y'all in the stars because me poor. Me can't get satisfaction. Me tell you now, say all monkey, me da fuck for me get my human rights out of this. And man still the blood clot walk land. When me go court, then say the man we kill me pitney, he went in a prison already for child abuse. And he's a man we get away. And they walk street now, which I don't know if he died. But you see God, you see when you lock up the pastor, that's why we say, donkey say world no live no lie. Donkey say world no live no lie. Because as what the pastor said, bar can't open, everywhere can't open and church fill up. And because the man talk, you know, lock him up for ground God. Because him roll thunder and him strike lightning down here. And all the other rest of man them will talk, you know, lock them up. And you know, this and you know that. Out of many a Jamaica, some blood clot. Because one me they say the mother will feel the pain now when daughter dead. Me no feel the pain. Me no feel the pain. Me pitney get over 30 odd stab. Her neck cut. Everything, the autopsy show all in kidney stab up. Everything blood clot stab up. And she never deserve it. Me certain say she never deserve the other girl they want to because they say the other girl a robber girl and the other girl a this or whatever. And then send from Kingston to come pick her up. My daughter go a champs every year and choose she they go a town. She say alright, she will drive with them. And the blood clot dirty man them kill me pitney. Better than rape him and left him. And then kill him. And right now speaking, nothing. Me not get out alive. See right now, me put up, me blow up her picture. Me do everything for have the candle light. Nothing. Every day me belly burn me. Every day when me hear so then kill one girl pitney, me belly burn me. You understand? Now care what they do, you know, have to kill them. Now care them what they do, you know, have to kill them. It's a big old dirty, nasty, stinking dirty man where they say. The pitney say no one no relationship and then they kill the woman pitney like I'm blood clot, carry him come here. You know they look young girl and you know have no use to young girl, so no expect young girl to go sit down with you. You know can't fuck, you know can't suck, you know can't do nothing but you know want young girls to sit down with you. You know go look some blood clot, dirty, nasty, thinking elephant go rape. You know they kill people girl pitney. And when you look now, you no go to jail, you no get bail, you no walk free, or maybe you no get one like a 5 year or one like a 10 year. And you see all what government they bring in and they go on hanging for blood clot and carrying back. A girl a see if we carrying back and see if things now we better. Woman just dead like a fucking dog, or they no respect woman because a body them born out. If woman a Westmoreland send the left him man, the left him go back for some things, the man cut in short, he prize for himself. You couldn't prize yourself and left the woman. She never born with you, you're not twin. You're not twin. But me just assure you, I know me not see nobody. I'm a very blood clot upset talking right now. So if government want come for me or police want come for me, me look pan you know. And see all when my daughter dead. And then say me if go talk to one police down a Freeport police station. And when me go down there fi look for the police, one police slap me up and put me in a jail, say me cuss bad word. I don't remember if I cuss bad word. Because me pick me there this Sunday and me go down bury this Sunday and me go down there the Monday. And he say me cuss bad word and he put me in a jail. And when the policeman come and say to him, say really lock up the woman, you don't have no heart. And when they send me a quote, I know my name no call. Because they know say a big trouble. I may tell them say poor a crime. Poor a crime. The man look at me and put me in a jail. Say me cuss bad word. I'm in a jail for how many hours before the police when me go to come and say you no let the woman out of jail. So everything when me tell you, see some police, remember me tell you then licky. All the police will have my case, see me phone, see me picture upon the phone, I show me no one call in name. I want wicked licky police. Because him see one tell me say the guy we buy the phone in father have one business place up Kingston, so I buy him buy out the case. Him tell me so. But woe be unto no. See me pick the picture there. May put it on Facebook, man. See me pick the picture there. See it there. 9 years now in the doll. No, me not see Prime Minister, me not see MP, me not see Councillor. So out of many are some people, but woe be unto no think no days now come.
Viewers and subscribers, I am going to talk to you about some of the things that this female said according to some things that she said. You see me? Now, on a real, according to some things that she said, then a policeman really would have put a mother in jail that's going through something like this, where it is said that her daughter had been raped and killed just for cursing a bad word. Eh? No, I mean, me have to really ask that question. Me have to really wonder if a policeman would have really and truly lock up or put a mother in jail that just lose her daughter in such a way where it is said that she had been raped and murdered just because she cussed a bad word. No, sir. Yeah. I really hope that this female get justice, you know. Even though she said that it happened years ago, I really hope she get the justice that she said she's looking for, because them things are just wicked. These things just wicked. Like, it's just wicked. Like, overall, it's just wicked. What's wrong with some people? Eh? Some people, you know. Because you have a lot of good people out there and a lot of good persons out there. But some people are just the problem. Jano. I tell you, viewers and subscribers, it's wicked. I just presented to you a video that shows a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her daughter had been raped and murdered years ago. She said other things as well, viewers and subscribers, and according to some things that she said, I got the understanding that She's upset about some things that happened and that she wants justice for what happened to her daughter. I really hope that she gets the justice she's looking for. You can let me know what you think about some of the things that she said, viewers and subscribers. Alright, and big up and respect to each and every one. And until next time, my name is Dancehall. Skilla, will not big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.